Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this particular video we are going to see two topics, that is content fragment models and content fragment services. Okay, so first we will go through the content fragment model. So what is content fragment model? So content fragment model is a template that describes the structure of a content for a content fragment. Got it? Like what is the case? Like it is a template that defines the structure of a content fragment, like how the content is going to store inside it. So you can create different content fragment models after careful analysis of the content types. So content can be of two types. It can be unstructured or it can be structured. Okay. So unstructured means if the structure of the content to be published is not known, because authors may not know what the content should look like, the content is called unstructured. But the structure is, if the author knows the structure of the content, that what the content should look like, then that particular content will be called as structured content. Okay. So if I talk about the content services, then what is the content services? So like content services are what? Let me first think. Then I will tell you like what is content services. So I can say like as you know, like many industries are mostly use content formats such as JSON or XML to deliver the content in the like personalized way, right? So content is rendered and styled by consuming the environment itself. So this practice of displaying content publishing is called as content service. So you will say like how in AEM we can do that. So in AEM we can do that with the use of out of the box capabilities. So AEM endorses hybrid content service model wherein content creator can use the content management system to publish the content to the web and make the content available as a web services. So in this way, AEM supports both publishing models, the web-centric and the content service known as headless CMS. So we are going to see headless CMS in the later videos. So now you have like idea about this thing, like how you can use the content fragment models and services. So we will meet in the next video and we will see like how we can create a content fragment, structured content fragment that can be processed via content service. Okay, so until then, bye bye.